Hello, I'm just back from Togo. I was invited together with my team by the President of the Republic, and it was an honor. It was a great trip, and I want to share with you the insights that regards not only to Togo but to the entire area of West Africa. And during that trip, what we did is mainly listening to the people, to the experts from universities, the doctors, the professors, expert of pest control, the plant protection, the Ministry of Agriculture. We also met the minister himself, exporters, farmers, and other experts. So what did we learn? Let me take you and start with the market. So the market, and I will focus specifically on mango because it's such a big and important portion of the local agriculture. So only mango in a group of countries in West Africa called ECOWAS is about 550,000 hectares. Now, Nigeria, next to it, is 600,000 hectares. Together we're talking about 1.15 million hectares. Since we have about 10 tons per hectare, then together we have 11.5 million tons. That is the total. Now, each ton worth between $500 to $1,300, or euro actually. So let's take it as one, just to make it simple to calculate. So we're talking about 11.5 billion euro. That is the worth, and that is the potential of the 11.5. If we manage to make it a marketable produce. So this is where we start. Now, what actually happens is the following. Most of the fruit is picked when it's unripe, when it's not mature, when it's not in full size, and infestation before the rainy season is between 30 to 50%. This is the actual number today. Now this is before the rainy season. And why is it infested? Because of fruit flies. And especially one that is called Bactrocera dorsalis, the oriental fruit fly, that invaded from Asia to Africa about 13 years ago. So this is considered to be great until the rainy season. Then comes the rainy season, about, depends on the country, May to July. And then infestation range from 50 to 100%. Meaning it's gone. So, from all of this, what we actually have is not all. Maybe we get a potential of 6-7 billion euro. So we are already down by half. But actually, it's not even that, because the quality of the fruit is lower. Why? Because farmers pick it earlier to have as low infestation as possible. So the quality is low. The size is smaller because they pick it really early. And since it's so hard to see which of the fruit is infested and which is not, it means that they pick it all and then ship it to the local market or to export, and much of it is infested. And actually, as a result the export is so low that we are talking about only 1% of the potential is export. Only 1%. That's about the number. 59,000 tons from ECOWAS. This is wheat spraying. This is wheat traps with methyl eugenol and everything that is known. Now, the outcome is that we found farmers that lost confidence and belief that it can change. So they neglected their farms. They don't pick the mango. They don't treat the farms. And the same is true for the exporters and even for the government. They don't see a future. So this number, 1.15 million hectare, is actually small because in the past it was bigger. They had more orchards and more yield. Now it is dropping really drastically. So what can we do to change all those numbers, to make economy flourish again? Well, just recently, Biofeed has finished the development of a product for the #1 fruit fly in Africa, which is Bactrocera dorsalis, the oriental fruit fly. And here we see the product in this slide. We also see the results in India and how it works in India. What we see is it is really simple. It is made for people all over the world to use it without tractors, without sprayers. It works for a long period, up to 10 months in one application. It is harmless to people, harmless to the environment. Very effective. So this solution should give an immediate remedy to the local farmers in Africa and West Africa in particular. Of course, it will only improve. But the first stage is to understand that what we are doing today is not good. So let's stop it. And let's do something else. Let's train the experts and the farmers to do something else. So what we suggest is really simple. For those who want to use 2018 to do something, we say, contact me. Let's do it. We are running fast and we are running also out of time. For those who want to do things in 2019, I say, wait. Contact me on July. From July, we finish the season of 2018, most of the picking, we can start talking about next season. So with this and a great hope for a new future and a much better one for Africa, for the farmers of Africa, for the economies of Africa, if we just apply this, I say bye-bye.